Hello viewers, we show you here a slab controlled load system, and in this system main module is sound module. It will detect the sound from our slab and it will turn on and turn off our loads by a relay switching. And in this system we use here a Arduino Nano for make sure the proper operation of the system, and a SMPS is used here, and this SMPS will make sure the power supply for our total system, and one relay module is connected here with our load and supply line. It will cut off and reconnect our loads with our supply line. Our system is powered on now, and now we will make sure a sound with our slab, and our load will be changed the position. When it will be turned on, at that moment if it will get the sound, at that moment it will be turned off. On the other case, when it will be turned off, at that moment if he will get a sound again, at that moment it will turn on. So this is the full overview of our project. If you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time, and Allah Hafiz.